Hello everyone, welcome back to Lady Enchantress Garden and Travel. Today we will be making a lemongrass tea, both hot and cold. This is me enjoying the final product in my balcony garden. So to start with, of course, you need to have a fresh lemongrass. Just remove the outer layer of the lemongrass, so like the outer leaf. You don't want to clean that, it's just too much work to do, so it's better to get it off and make sure you wash that very thoroughly. So here you will simply remove the hard part towards the end where it connects to the roots. So I don't think that's really necessary for you to boil. So here I'm just removing it. Make sure not to cut so much of the main stem. Now this is very important, so you would extract the best flavor out of your lemongrass. So I think for those who are cooking lemongrass, this is not a new process for you. So here I'm just trying to do a knot. You don't really have to do this. To be honest, I just want it this way so it's easier for me to remove this once it is done when we boil it. So you can also use your kitchen thread if you have that, if ever you wanted to have them like this way, but I think it's cool. So we bring it to a boil. Make sure you have enough water in your pot. And it's fully submerged into water. So here it's already boiling. I'm just waiting like 2 to 3 minutes so I can really extract the flavor out of it. Just, watch out for the fire. So this is now my hot tea ready right here. So I'll just be putting the ginger here, so the flavor would be somehow incorporated, and I'm preparing my honey on the side as an alternative sweetener to sugar. Of course, if you have any other alternative like stevia, white sugar, brown sugar, or coconut sugar, this is also, I think, best for sweetness. So here is my iced tea lemongrass, or lemongrass iced tea, whatever you call it. I put like 3 ice right here, and to enhance its flavor I also squeeze in at least 2 calamansi. If you don't have a calamansi, then you can also add a lemon. So take note, I did not add a calamansi during the boiling process because I think the flavor is not that intense, so then you add it like really fresh. And then here's my sweetener. Depends on you. Some of the folks that I know, especially the older generation, don't like put any sweetener on it, just straight up all its goodness to your body. Here we go, enjoying this in my balcony, and the rest of the lemongrass I also planted in my pot. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Please subscribe.